Hey guys, how you doing? VT Maestro here. Hope all is well. Well, it's a beautiful day here in northwestern Vermont. Can't complain at all. Beautiful. 66 degrees, and you wouldn't believe that we have a blizzard coming in tomorrow night. It's Saturday right now, and Sunday night we're supposed to have snow and high winds and so forth. So trying to get a lot of stuff done today. I'm going to work on the Snowblower. I got a couple new parts in, so small DIY project. Going to put a new starter on. And I'm also going to install a new light, and both these parts have worn out. The light, it's been like 10 years since I've replaced the light. The whole fixture broke. So with the starter here, I just need to pop the new one in and work on that. So two pretty easy DIY projects I'm going to work on this afternoon. But before we do that, just check out some solar stuff and show you where we're at today for kilowatt production. All right, so I got my external 100 watt solar panel out today. It's hooked up to my solar power generator, the thermometer, and that's fully topped off for tomorrow. Just in case we lose power, I need to power some smaller devices. And here we go. The roof array right now is putting out just under 2,500 watts, and the ground mount system is doing close to 3 kilowatts. So about 5,500 watts being produced right now by our solar. If we have a blizzard tomorrow, probably not going to make any more solar on the roof for a while until that all melts off. All right, gonna work on the new light here. I got a bulb for it, lamp, and then a retaining clip. So this is all gonna go for the light switches over here. I'm gonna go ahead and just wait on putting the starter in because one of my bolts is stripped. So I'm gonna have to oversize the bolt. So I'll work on that and come back and do that after, but let's get the light done. I think it's best not to touch the lamp part of this. Just turn, that's all it does. That's cool, it's easy. Let's see how this retaining clip goes. We can figure this out here. Alright guys, I got the clip in here. It just goes from the top and snaps, and it pushes back against the lamp assembly so the light can't go forward. So it just took a few minutes to figure that out. Mostly did it off camera, but it's done. So make our connections here and we'll go forth. Alright, so we lost the connector here on this green wire on the ground. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead and crimp on a new connector. Alright, we're good there. I'm going to crimp it off camera just so I can do it right. Alright, got it crimped in there. It's going to work fine. Okay, that's good. Alright, just need to take care of this cable here. Alright, I got the light wrapped around and wired in a little bit better now. As far as the ground connection and the regular connection here, you can see. So it's out of the way of everything and works great. So let's go ahead and start and see where we're at. Alright, so the light did not come on, so epic fail here. Gonna have to investigate, probably get the voltmeter out, make sure there's juice shooting through that cord. All right, guys, so it's the following day and got everything done on the snowblower. So I think this is a good opportunity right now to show you my snowblower here. It's a Yard Machines Gold. It's a 10 horsepower, 28 inch. It's about 14 years old. Has some rust, has some dings, dents, but it's a good machine. It's all started up. Just changed the oil last week, and I've had it for 14 years. I bought it used. It was a couple years old. It actually starts really well when you pull it. So the starter is just an extra. I didn't use it last year, but figured I want to have it this year. You never know, especially with rotator cuffs and things like that. A little preventive maintenance here on the body, just have an electric starter. I put the new starter in. That was a little tricky with the bolts. Had to go to the hardware store, pick up a couple extra ones that were the correct length. And I also got the light fixed. When I put the starter in, I used some thread locker. I used the blue kind here, Loctite. And that should help hold those bolts in the starter. And this is actually removable, so I can take them out. They make a blue and red. The red's not removable, and this should help keep everything in place. All right, I want to show you what I used to test my light and figure out what was going on here. So this is a 12-volt tester. It has a light inside, and there's a negative line here, and then you just plug this into your hot side. And it lights up when you have a positive connection. So let's go ahead and just show you how this works here. Here's the battery for my solar power generator, macquamerator. I used my 12-volt tester here to test the connection point where the power comes from the engine, and the power was off and on. So what I did was I just looked at that connection, tightened it up a little bit, and wrapped it in electrical tape. Seems to be working fine now. And then I checked my connection point all the way down to where the light comes in here. Pulled that apart, and I checked there, and there was power. So at that point, I knew I had power through the whole line, and that was in good shape. So what I did next was I just unplugged the light and then plugged it back in, and everything worked. So pretty excited here now to have everything working in order. All the parts, everything is as expected to be on this machine, and ready for the snow to come. So let's just take a look outside right now. What a difference today is. It is cold, 32 degrees right now, and a far cry from yesterday when we had 66 and pure sun. So ready here for the snow. I think we're only going to get maybe 4 or 5 inches, and looking forward to using the snowblower. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, share if you would, and I'll be looking forward to the snow here. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.